that?
Want to wish everyone a happy Easter.
Nothing.
Valley View RC.
Happy Easter.
Good morning, America!
You said last week you would be here.
On it. Oh my goodness.
Put it right at the end
Quinn,
of the
what
runway.
did you do to your dad's airplane?
Good morning, fine audience.
Skywalker from a swap meet. So you're using a 3-cell 2200?
3-cell 2200, yeah.
All right, so 3-cell 2200 is a little small. So you move the motor from the back to the front, and you haven't set it up for FPV quite yet.
Not yet. I have the stuff in the inventory at home.
Got it. Yeah, I haven't seen a Skywalker with a front-mounted motor before.
Have you?
I haven't.
Oh, this
That's
is
different.
This is the first.
Yeah, and then your battery goes right there, so it balances out.
I flew it yesterday for the first time, so we'll do something. You
Yeah,
want
let's
to
see it go. Sure.
Many people do this FPV with this.
Oh yeah, it's an FPV plane pretty much, right?
Known.
I'm not surprised you've changed it. Heavy-duty rubber bands.
And I can glide.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
The one at...
Boy, that little micro.
Too easy.
I just want to call before the storm. So Yuri, what did that start out life as?
I'd like to thank Valley View RC for sending me a free hat.
Valley View RC.
I'm gonna be like an NBA player.
Yeah, you're gonna get all the free hats, man.
I'm gonna be sporting logo gear pretty soon here.
What is Valley View RC? Is it a club?
No, it's a online RC store.
Oh, so send you a free hat?
Yes, a free hat.
Okay.
Keep the hierarchy.
Hey Steve, you flew these planes last, huh?
Yes.
These are your planes?
Yeah.
Hola! All right, it's ready.
Dad, go underneath the net. Go underneath.
You know, I did that last time.
Jonathan, what are you doing? Yuri's landing zone.
Daddy!
Brian's powering on. Yuri. Oh yeah.
Can you see them better? Oh, it's interesting.
Woo! Whoa.
Oh, nice.
How can he drive it, but he has those really loud eyes?
German.
So it's been a lot of money.
I can see me!
It's like an airplane.
Here, it has a band in the back. You can hold it two
Hey,
hands,
Quinn.
okay, over your eyes.
Somebody's gonna be an FPV pilot.
Just get it in the right spot for your eyes.
And you can adjust the
We get the same channels.
Once again, Yuri lands
That is cool.
way over there. He started walking and he never stopped. Oh, he stopped. He got his plane. See, sometimes we do land on the grass.
Oh! Good as new. Oh my god. Oh my god. 200 in the head. One field away. Oh! Oh! Oh, look at that.
Oh, now he's just showing off.
On full speed.
Show off.
Look out! Oh yeah, yeah, yeah! Oh yeah! Nice work, dude.
No one's done it inverted yet.
Oh, hello, Ivets Nastrovai.
It's not Yvette's Nostrovai.
Oh, no, you named him Ivets
No,
Nastrovai.
it hasn't been named yet.
Oh, Nastrovai?
We're not gonna name it after you.
Hey, here we go.
Valley View RC. Yeah, we get it. It's not been named yet.
Him. It's a
It's
him.
well, you
just
can check
checked.
it. Did you check?
I just checked.
I didn't
Yeah,
check it that close.
It's a him. So what'd you name him?
It's not named yet. I gotta decide. There's still
Oh,
some
okay.
submissions coming in. Wait, who says you decide? You're not the decider.
Oh! Oh!
What? What just happened? Where's my bird? Dad. Hey, Keenan, I think it's stuck in there.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I wedged it in there too far.
Here, let me power it up.
It's not gonna come out. Yeah, sorry about that, man. Oh,
Oh, it's hey. Oh my God! What just threw up out of this airplane? Oh,
Yvette's Nostrovai.
Yvette's.
No,
Yvette's
if you keep saying it's gonna get named that, it's not being named Yvette's Nostrovai.